Hey there! If you're watching this, you're probably an online entrepreneur, a marketer, or someone who's tired of the endless grind to grow an email list. Let me ask you, how much time and money have you spent trying to get subscribers? Creating content, running ads, stressing over SEO, or maybe even paying for solo ads that never seem to work? What if I told you there's a way to get guaranteed subscribers automatically, starting today, without a website, social media, or even experience? That's exactly what the Auto Lead Machine is all about. Created by Jeremy Kennedy, a guy who's been through all the ups and downs of online marketing, this system cuts through the complexity and gives you a straight path to filling your email list, even if you're brand new. Let me break down why this could be the game changer you've been waiting for. First off, imagine waking up every morning to new subscribers already in your autoresponder. No posting on social media, no writing blogs, no paying for ads. Just real people joining your list, day after day, like clockwork. Jeremy himself used this exact method to get over 610 subscribers in 48 hours. And the best part? You don't need to be tech savvy or have a big budget. All it takes is a catchy title, a quick description, and clicking a button. That's it. Here's the thing. Most of us get overwhelmed trying to juggle SEO, content creation, and figuring out Facebook ads. But Auto Lead Machine skips all that. You don't need to learn new skills or stress about algorithms. It's designed for people who just want results, fast. Plus, there's no risk of overspending. No more wasting money on ads that don't convert or hiring expensive gurus. For less than $10, you get a step-by-step system that's already proven to work. Now, I know what you're thinking. Does this actually work? Jeremy gets it. That's why he offers a 30-day money-back guarantee. If you follow the training and don't see subscribers rolling in, he'll refund you, no questions asked. But honestly, the proof is in the results. One of his students built a list of over 1,600 people in just days. No fluff, no hype. Just real people joining their list, ready to buy. Think about what that could do for your business. An email list is pure gold. It's how you build relationships, launch products, and create loyal customers. With Auto Lead Machine, you're not just getting subscribers. You're unlocking a lifetime asset that can keep generating profit for years. And you can set it up in 10 to 15 minutes. No waiting, no confusion. So, if you're ready to stop stressing about leads and start growing your list on autopilot, click the link below to check out Auto Lead Machine. For less than the cost of a pizza, you'll get instant access to the exact steps Jeremy used to build his email empire, without the headaches. When you pick this up through me, you will also find some great bonuses, as I like to over-deliver. Click the link below to see the extra goodies. And before you go, do me a quick favor. If this video helped you, hit the like button so others can find it too. Share it with anyone who's struggling to grow their email list. And don't forget to subscribe. We drop simple, actionable tips every week to help you grow your business smarter, not harder. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.